I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to receive money through Square, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Create a Square account. Visit the Square website or download the Square app. Sign up for an account by providing your email address, creating a password, and entering your business information. Step 2. Link your bank account. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Settings menu and select Bank Account. Here, you can link your bank account by entering your account and routing numbers. Step 3. Set up payment methods. In the Square dashboard, go to the Payments section. Choose the payment methods you want to accept, such as credit cards or digital wallets. Step 4. Create an invoice or payment request. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Gotcha! Make sure the recipient's email is correct, otherwise they won't receive the invoice. Step 5. Send the invoice. After creating the invoice, click Send to email it to the recipient. They can pay directly through the link in the email, and you'll receive a notification once the payment is processed. Now you're all set to receive money on Square. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Happy transacting!